Hurricane Irma. It's here, people. And this isn't even close to the worst of it.
Holy shit. No power. I wonder how long it's gonna be like that.
Really?
There's no power.